Who said turkey chili is boring? I have been making this recipe for years and it's from a famous TV show and super good. Let's do it. We start by chopping garlic. Here I have a large head of beautiful local garlic. It's full after all. And what Ukrainian would I be if I didn't love my garlic? So I like to separate the cloves and then take the chef's knife and smash it with the flat side. Then it peels so easily. And then you just mince it. Just run chef's knife through the garlic cloves many times in different directions and transfer to a bowl. Now chop the onion, and there are many ways to chop an onion. I'm using the by the book way this time, so I cut it in half and keep the hairy hand on, then it peels easily, and then I slice it diagonally and then another way crosswise, and then you just chop it. I like small pieces because they kind of melt into chili, but you can keep the onion chunky if you like chunky chili. To chop the celery, I like to trim the ends of both stalks, and they're usually long. Keep those leaves on, they add nice flavor. And then cut the long stalks in halves, and then you have the same length sticks. And also run the knife through the wide part of celery, so then you end up with small pieces, and then you just chop it up. And again, I like smaller pieces. You can keep celery more chunky. So did I tell you that this chili is from The Biggest Loser show? Remember that show? I used to binge watch it after having kids. So they added 2 bell peppers, and I really like this touch because it adds very nice flavor. So to clean bell pepper, just cut it in half, then take the medium-sized knife and remove the seeds and ribs and cut it into strips and just chop it up. Here we have chipotle and adobo sauce that comes in a little 4-ounce can, but because you need to use only a little bit at a time, I transfer to an airtight container and freeze. So whenever I need some, like today for this turkey chili, I just defrost small amount and chop it up. Okay, so now all ingredients are chopped and it's time to saute the turkey. So you want to preheat a large skillet or pot. I absolutely love my Dutch oven because it makes this chili one pot. And when it's hot, you add turkey. There is no need to add oil because turkey will release a lot of juices. It smells really good. I love turkey. I think you can make it really delicious. So you just cook it for 5-8 minutes and then transfer into the bowl along with juices. And now you do add oil, and we want it to sizzle, and we're going to saute our vegetables. We start by sauteing onion and garlic for a few minutes first. Then we add celery and bell peppers and saute a little bit more. If you add all vegetables at a time, they will just steam and not caramelize and get that nice brown flavor. Time to add the beans, and I'm using white kidney beans and red kidney beans, but really there is no wrong choice of beans. I'm adding a can of diced tomatoes. Recipe calls for tomato sauce, but keep watching. And low sodium chicken broth. I'm using this concentrate, and my trick is to dilute it with boiling water, so when I start cooking chili, I turn on the kettle. Then our diced chipotle and adobo sauce, then low sodium chili powder because of what kind of chili is without chili powder, taco seasoning, a little bit of black pepper, and I don't salt it now. I'm going to salt it at the end because I don't know how salty it is now because I use diced tomatoes. See, it's a little bit pale. Oops, I forgot to add the ground turkey. Yes, kind of important in a turkey chili. Give it a stir, and I don't like how pale it looks, so I'm adding a little bit of tomato paste because it has very nice concentrated tomato flavor. So if I use tomato sauce, I would not add tomato paste. And just let it simmer for 30 minutes. Now I did do a taste test and I salted it, and your chili is ready. It is healthy, hearty. It is so delicious. Your beef chili peeps will love it. Then I like to top mine with cheese and yogurt, and voila! I hope you guys enjoyed this healthy turkey chili and share with your friends and family. If you do, be sure to like and subscribe this video. I'm including ingredients and directions in the video description below, and be sure to check out iFoodReal.com for more easy, healthy recipes. See ya!